Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to translate language using Google Spreadsheet. So guys, first, as you can see, we have a English words over here. And let's say we're gonna translate it into French. So just simply put an equal sign. And after that, just simply type in Google. And from here, just simply select this one, Google Translate. And after that, just simply select the cell that you want to translate with. Let's say I'm gonna go for this one. After that, just simply put a comma, and from here, just simply put a parenthesis, and we're gonna type in English, which is EN, and after that, just simply put a parenthesis again, and put a comma, and after that, just put a parenthesis, and we're gonna translate it into French, which is FR, and put a parenthesis, and just simply close it. And after that, just simply enter. And from here, as you can see, we should be able to translate it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.